Which type of tile is best, granite flooring or vitrified tiles flooring or marble flooring? This is a question most of us ponders when it is time to replace or upgrade the flooring. Flooring plays a vital role in home decor, and choosing right flooring can set the tone of the room. The flooring you opt should meet functional and visual requirements of the room. It is purely personal style and choice, but you can make your decision based on following factors. 1. Maintenance standpoint with respect to cleaning. 2. Usage patterns like rough usage. 3. Family needs. 4. Affordability. 5. Your availability in the future, in case of partial replacements. 6. Your available time during construction to get the material. 7. Environmental factors. Example: weather. Granite tile flooring. Hard rock material, tough and more resistant to absorbs. You will be amazed after seeing the patterns and colors of nature. Can be used directly after purchasing from the shop. Cost will be more compared to vitrified tiles and marble. Easy for maintenance when compared to other two options. Very few chances are there to break and for scratches. More durable for acid wash and rough usage. In a case if you have sufficient budget, you can look for anti-skid granite also, which is good for old age people. Vitrified tile flooring. Being man-made, vitrified tiles come in a large variety of designs, colors, prints, and textures. They can even mimic marble quite well. Technology enables customization options in the design of vitrified tiles, and so there are much more options for designers. They are more dynamic and trendy. Easily available in shops in all the areas, and ready to install. Same model color variety may not be available in the future, for maintenance purpose. Easy to handle while laying process. More joints will come. You will not get big dimensions like granite and marble. While purchasing, if needed you can get huge quantities of same pattern/color. More affordable when compared to marble or granite. The cost of installation of vitrified tiles is also much less. Are stain resistant, as they have a glass-like surface. Vitrified tiles are also scratch resistant. Are available with anti-slip or slip-resistant finishes, and can be used anywhere in the house, including bathrooms and kitchens. Personally love the wood finish tiles. Marble flooring. It is a soft rock. You need to lay the marbles, then polishing process will start. Initial laying process is more than granite and tiles. Advantage is if you feel flooring lost its shining, then you can do polishing one more time, so that you will get the first look. This will be one advantage in case if you are going for a marble. Generally, cost-wise it will be little lesser than granite, but laying cost may vary. Very fewer chances are there to break and for scratches, but because of the soft nature, when compared to granite it is prone to scratches. If patterns are available in marble, marble layer can create very nice patterns out of it. Marble reacts with even dilute acids, vinegar, citrus, etc. Hope the information is helpful. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe the channel.